Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you another recipe from Burma, or Myanmar as it's now known, and it is steamed pork ribs with garlic. Right, nice big bowl. We're going to put in around about the equivalent of 4 cloves of garlic, and around about the same deal with some ginger paste. That can go straight into that bowl just like that. Now, make sure you get that ginger all over the bench, otherwise you're not doing it right. They can go straight in. I'm going to add in around about a good teaspoon of palm sugar, or if you don't have that, you could use a little bit of brown sugar. We're going to add in some fish sauce, around about 2.5 tablespoons worth, and around about a tablespoon-ish of Zhaojing, or Chinese rice wine. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper. That can go straight in as well, just like that. And this is going to be our cooking liquid and our marinade all in one, and it will end up being our sauce for the pork. So I've got a pork belly here. You could buy a pork belly, or you could also buy ribs straight from your butcher or supermarket. I'll buy the pork belly. When it's on special, it's going to save me a few dollars, and it just, to me, cooks up a little bit better. I'm going to cut these up into nice little chunks like that. I like to cut mine into thirds, have a little bit of structural integrity. I'm just going to put that straight into all of that marinade that we made up. Now that was around about a kilo, maybe just a little bit more than a kilo. Put that straight into that bowl, into that marinade, and turn it around about every 15 minutes or so. And we're going to let that sit for around about 2 hours and let that marinate up. Very, very simple to do. Alright, 2 hours is up. We're going to take off the plastic, give them another stir like that, and you can already see how the pork is changing colour. It's starting to absorb all those beautiful flavours that we have in that bowl. Here I've got a wok. I've put a little rack on the bottom. I'm protecting my non-stick coating by putting a couple of pieces of baking paper down. In goes our little bowl, and we've only got that filled up around about a third of the way, maybe even a quarter of the way, full of nice hot water to create our steam. We don't want to flood this, we just want it to steam off gently, and we're going to cook that for around about 1.25 to 1.5 hours in total. If the water seems to get a little bit low, just boil a little bit more water, add that in. Just make sure you don't go too far with the level of water, and just let those steam away. It's a very simple dish this, but I tell you what, the flavour is amazing. I'm going to serve this up with a little bit of white rice. You can steam it or put it in the rice cooker. I'm also going to put a little bit of freshly cut tomato down, a little bit of black pepper on tomato. Never hurts at all. And all we simply have to do now is add our pieces of pork straight over the top. And the hot pork with the cold tomato is just amazing. Absolutely works perfectly. Put a little bit of ketchup mayonnaise straight over the top. And you can also use a little bit of that liquor as well, and that will soak into the rice. Very, very simple to do. Takes a little bit of time, but it is definitely worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there, and your friends might like to eat this as well. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something new from a different culture, cooked in a slightly different way from normal, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my steamed pork ribs with garlic, and I will catch you next time. Bye!